I spent 40 hours testing 5 typing jobs to see what beginners actually earn. 3 platforms were complete time wasters, but 2 delivered real results. Here's the brutal truth about realistic earnings and which platforms you should skip. Stick around because in the next 12 minutes you'll have everything you need to start earning this week. Plus, I'll reveal the platform that surprised me most at the 6-minute mark. Welcome back to Nail the Next Step. I'm here to cut through the noise and show you legitimate ways to earn online. Tired of sending resumes into the void? Frustrated with entry-level jobs requiring 3+ years experience? Quick question. How many of you have applied to 50+ jobs without even getting a call back? Drop a facepalm in the comments if that's you. Today I'm sharing 5 platforms where you can start earning immediately. No interviews, no complicated applications, just your laptop and the ability to type accurately. Before we dive in, let me share what's realistic to expect. After tracking 47 beginners across these platforms, most earned $50 to $150 in their first month while learning the ropes. Some of these platforms are actively hiring right now, though availability varies by region and demand. I'll reveal the platform that surprised me most at the 6-minute mark. It's not what you think. So if you're ready to start with realistic expectations, let's get started. Quick heads up. Some platforms may temporarily pause applications depending on your region or demand. That's completely normal in this industry. I'll share my free SmartR job search guide at the end. It's packed with practical tools like a job search checklist, resume prep tips, and an online job search cheat sheet to help you navigate the remote work landscape. Job number 1, ClickWorker. Let's start with the most beginner-friendly option, ClickWorker. This platform pays you to complete microtasks, and many involve basic typing. Think short product descriptions, text correction, or simple data entry. Most beginners earn $20 to $50 in their first week while getting familiar with the platform and building their skills. ClickWorker typically pays $3 to $10 per hour depending on your speed and task complexity. But here's what makes it special. Zero commitment. Log in when you want. Pick a task. Complete it. Get paid. No schedules, no meetings, no stress. ClickWorker changed my perspective on remote work. No more begging for flexible schedules or explaining why you need to work from home. It's perfect for parents working around nap times or night owls who prefer working after everyone's asleep. Getting started is straightforward. Create an account, verify your email, and take some quick assessments, mostly grammar and writing tests. Once approved, you'll see available jobs in your dashboard. No video calls, no background checks, no waiting weeks for a response. Most people start earning within 24 hours of approval. Job number 2, RevSecond is Rev, a platform for transcription work. If you can listen closely and type accurately, this could provide steady supplemental income. Experienced transcribers can build this into several $100s monthly, but beginners typically start much lower. You'll transcribe audio and video files, podcasts, interviews, webinars, all from your home office. Rev pays 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, depending on difficulty and turnaround time. Now here's the key. 1 audio minute typically takes 3 to 4 minutes to transcribe when you're starting. Most beginners earn $50 to $100 in their first month while building speed and accuracy. The beauty? You choose your own projects and work completely on your schedule. To get started, you'll complete a grammar quiz and transcribe a sample audio clip. No webcam interviews, no phone calls. If you pass, you get immediate access to live jobs. If you don't pass the first time, no worries. You can retake it later. Pro tip: take your time on the application. Quality matters more than speed here. Here's an insider tip that doubled my transcription speed. Start with clear English audio files, lectures, interviews with minimal background noise. But here's what Rev doesn't tell you in their marketing. Skip the messy, fast-talking recordings until you've built confidence. This keeps you motivated and prevents early burnout. Trust me, your future self will thank you for this strategy. Job numero 3, TranscribeMe. It is perfect for absolute beginners. Instead of tackling 30-minute audio files, TranscribeMe breaks everything into 1 to 2 minute microtasks. Less intimidating, faster turnaround, and you maintain momentum. There's one earning secret I haven't shared yet about this platform. Stay tuned. The shorter format makes it easier to fit into busy schedules, though pay rates start on the lower end while you're learning. TranscribeMe pays $15 to $22 per audio hour, with bonuses for specialized content like medical or legal transcription. You can work literally anytime, even just 15 minutes during your lunch break. The micro-task format means you're never stuck in a long session. Comment micro if you prefer shorter tasks over long projects. I'm curious which approach works better for different personalities. Perfect for busy parents, students, or anyone with an unpredictable schedule. Want to avoid rejections and unlock higher-paying tasks? Use Grammarly, it's free. This Grammarly tip alone saved me from 20+ rejections. Don't learn this the hard way like I did. It catches typos, punctuation errors, and awkward phrasing before you submit. Transcription platforms score your work, and clean submissions help you maintain eligibility for premium projects. This one tool can increase your earning potential by 20 to 30%. Before we continue, don't miss your free Smart or Job Search Guide. It includes a comprehensive job search checklist, resume prep tips, and an online job search cheat sheet. Whether you need help organizing your search, polishing your resume, or navigating online applications, these practical tools are designed to help you get started faster. Grab it using the link below. It's completely free. Job number 4. Appen plus plot twist. The highest paying platform isn't what you think. Platform 4 is Appen, one of the largest AI training companies globally. They pay people to help improve AI systems through typing, labeling, and language tasks. This isn't just transcription. You might rate text quality, categorize search results, or correct AI-generated content. This is the platform that surprised me most. Pay varies significantly based on available projects and your location, so earnings can be inconsistent. You could be typing feedback for chatbots, fixing short phrases, or scoring responses based on provided guidelines. The work isn't always fast-paced, but accuracy is crucial. They provide training for each project, so you know exactly what's expected. No guesswork, no confusion. It's methodical, steady work that many people find relaxing. Appen pays $5 to $15 per hour depending on your location and project complexity. Here's the reality. Projects can run for weeks or months, but they can also end without warning. It's best used as supplemental income alongside other platforms. Some experienced workers combine multiple platforms to create more stable income streams. Job number 5. Remotasks. Last on our list is Remotasks, a microtasking platform with weekly payouts. Tasks include image annotation, transcription, and text categorization. Like ClickWorker, it's perfect for filling gaps in your schedule. What sets it apart? They accept beginners worldwide and pay every Friday via PayPal. You'll complete free self-paced training before accessing live jobs. No previous experience required. Pay ranges from $4 to $10 per hour, and because it's microtasking, you can work as little or as much as you want. Friday payouts hit different when you know you earned it on your own terms. Who else loves that feeling? The weekly payout system means you're never waiting long to see your earnings. Power strategy. Platform stacking. I almost quit testing until I discovered this stacking method. Here's the strategy that separates beginners from consistent earners. Don't rely on one platform. Platform stacking is how Sarah from Ohio went from $47 her first month to $347 by month 3. Stack 2 to 3 platforms together, like Rev plus ClickWorker plus Remotasks. This keeps you busy even when one site has fewer jobs available. Think of it as income diversification. Over time, you'll have more control over your schedule and weekly earnings. Ready to level up beyond gig work? Use resume.io to create a professional resume. Even if you're building experience on these platforms, a clean resume opens doors to higher-paying remote opportunities. Beautiful templates, no design skills needed, and perfect for showcasing non-traditional experience. Want your resume to beat applicant tracking systems? Use JobScan. It analyzes your resume against job descriptions and suggests improvements. Essential for landing competitive remote positions that pay $15 plus per hour. This tool can be the difference between getting noticed and getting overlooked. Already building typing skills? Create a Fiverr gig offering typing services. Convert handwritten notes, clean up scanned PDFs, or handle virtual data entry. Success varies widely, but it's worth exploring once you've built confidence. It's your typing skills, but now you're setting your own rates. Important reality check. Some platforms may temporarily pause hiring or limit applicants by region. This is normal in remote work. If one platform isn't accepting applications, simply move to the next. Having multiple strategies, like the ones in our Smart job search guide, means you're never stuck waiting. Don't forget your free Smarter job search guide. It includes a job search checklist, resume prep tips, and an online job search cheat sheet. Comment below which platform you're trying first. I read every comment and often share bonus tips based on your questions. The guide provides practical tools to help you organize and optimize your remote job search. Here's your action plan. Pick 2 platforms from this video and sign up today. Complete their training modules this week. Don't expect overnight success. Even earning $25 your first week shows you're on the right track. Be patient with yourself as you learn. From there, you can gradually build your skills and earning potential. It all starts with that first application. If this video gave you a clear path forward, smash that like button and subscribe for weekly remote job opportunities. I post new videos every week with beginner-friendly job leads and strategies that actually work. Your success is my success. Let's build this together. Your next step? Keep an eye out for my upcoming video. Remote jobs using just your phone, no laptop needed. Perfect for anyone who wants to earn money without investing in expensive equipment. Work from anywhere with just your smartphone. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it when it drops. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every single one because I genuinely want to see you succeed. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You have everything you need to start earning this week. Just keep your expectations realistic. Stay focused, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.